extended size price to $28. 28 bucks, $30, and then you get another 30% off. $40 right here, and then another 30% off. Holy crap. Is that the cheapest we've ever seen these? What the heck? We got Bossco. We got his selfie stick. And we got the Citadel. Let's go. Let's go. They got Otani jerseys. They do have the Kobe 9s right there. The Kobe 9 Halos. But everything is usually regular price. Yeah, nothing too crazy back there. Seeing if there's anything by the counter as well. 30% off the back wall. Not one of the best outlets, but we still got to check. Before we even get to the back wall, look at this. 65, 30 off. Shout out to the homie Mario, watching from El Salvador. Happens to be here. But yeah, let's get back to these. Look at that. What's up with these Hyper Dunks? Size 15s are going for $40. Size 15s. Any of the other sizes? Because that's hella low. Usually they don't start. Huh? Oh yeah. What size is this? What size is this? 11 and a half. 11 and a half. So I bet you size 12 and stuff. So 11 and a half extended size price. These are going for $28. But it's interesting because some of them are priced, but some aren't. Size 15. 15 right here is priced, but not the 13. 13 is not priced. So I think Bossco's looking into it. Bossco did some research. They said 10 and a half. One of the workers said 10 and a half and above. Extended size price to $28. 28 bucks. Man, that's what's up. So they got some of the same deals that we got at Watts, or similar deals that we saw at Watts. Are these extended size price? Nah, these aren't extended size price. Because I did grab these for hella cheap, but nah, not here. This one is extended size price. The Immortality's pretty much the same deal as Watts. They're doing 30 instead of 40 here though, but still a hell of a price. $30, and then you get another 30% off. So what is that? $21? $21 for the Immortalities. This colorway right here, and they got plenty of bigger sizes. 10 and a half and above again. They got the Blazer Low acronyms right here. These are going down to, oh, I saw a gray stick right here. Nah, but yeah, they're down to what, $35? Even the 7.5 gets the extended size price, because they can do it if it's too big, they'll extend the size price, and if it's too small, extended size price as well. Seems like all the other ones are gone, but the extended size price is the same as that price though, so kind of weird. Yeah, I'm looking at all the shoes right here. Look at this. Look at this. Air Max 95s right here. Oh, this is a locate. Man, y'all, man, why y'all do me like that? Why y'all do me like that, man? Come on now, man. But yeah, these are going for $70. You get another 30 off on top. And these are the locates right here. These have been extended size price to $35, and then you get another 30 off on top of that. There's no 30 off thing, but guarantee you get 30 off of that. $30 off these Dunks. And extended size price, $60, and you get another 30 off. Holy crap, holy crap. Hirachis right here as well. I don't see any extended sizing on this one. And apparently I'm wrong, because look, $40 right here. $40 right here, and then another 30% off. Holy crap. So that's $28 for that one as well. I hope you guys have been checking out the outlets. This is just crazy. I'm looking for all the extended size pricing deals. I've seen too much of it in the running section. See this one. What the hell is this? Pegasus 40. This is down to $80 right there. And if you guys saw my YouTube short, I did release one for Watts. And if you see one for one store, I'm going to be honest. For me, I'm checking out all these other stores. But yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. I came back here, I'm like, hey, did I miss out on anything else? Did I miss out on any other Jordans? All right, Westbrooks right here, they extended size price these after 10 and a half as well. So $50, you get another 30 off that. $35 for those. As well as these Jordan 1 News right here. So they're 70. This one shows 75, it's funny. It's 70, but 10 and a half and above, they did extend the size price those to $50. And looks like they just did these. 1027 at 1027, so that's probably when they got their big shipment, is 1027. All right, I'm gonna be honest, I've neglected the back wall, so let's go see what's up with the back wall. And it looks like here, size 10 and above, a lot of stuff extended sized, priced. Vapor Mask Mox right here going for $60. What the heck are these? Oh, these are already 35. The Air Zoom Rival. Oh, these are the running or sprinting cleats. SB Heritage Volks going for $35. Not the Jordan 2s though, not them. 120. I thought for sure the KD Trey 510s would be on sale or extended size price. Nah, $50. Zoom separates go for 67. That's extended size pricing, really? The Magma Escapes, I don't know. I was like, why are these called the Manscapes? What the hell? But yeah, 150. 150, damn, no additional discounts or no extended size pricing on that one. Court Visions right here going for 40, size 11. Juniper Trails right here, $50 if you're into hiking or what's this, trail walking, whatever the hell these are for. The Mock Undercover, size 12 going for 50. Cortez right here, clean colorway, cool gray, is that wolf gray? Flat silver, that's a gray, homie. I didn't know silver. $70 for those. Just Forces going for 60. All right, this is kind of crappy, dude. Look at that. Come on now, dude. $100. We've seen these so much cheaper. These are the huge sizes, but look at this. This ain't bad. $90. $90, and then get another 30% off. So what is that, like $68 or something? 67 bucks? Holy crap, $67. Yeah, this is what I was talking about when I saw the KD Trey 5s earlier. $30. Get an extra 30 off. 120 for the Infinity Run 4s right here. These are size 13. 14 Nike Attacks go for 50. All right, we're coming back to the aisles because this is where all the deals are apparently. I got the Next Gens right here. And these are extended size priced to $70. But a lot of the bigger sizes already taken. I don't blame whoever for taking a lot of the better sizes. $35 for these. Obviously 30% off. And yeah, these are $100. You get an extra 30 off. This was extended size priced at Watts. I don't see any 10.5s and above, except this one right here, which isn't marked. I'm gonna be honest, I would ask the workers. I did ask one of the workers, but she didn't really know what the hell's going on. So yeah, I would ask for them to price check that because very, very likely that is extended size priced. So I think I got mine for 65 and then it was like another 30 or 40% off, something like that. 90 for these. This is one of the extended size price items right here. Go for $30 for 10.5 and above. They got a quartet of the Witnesses. No extended size pricing or anything crazy on these. Hyper Dunks. These are the ones that are extended size priced, but only one of them are marked. And according to that lady, like these aren't marked. I'm like, you're wrong, dude. They're, you know, like you guys forget to mark stuff sometimes, and try to tell her that. She didn't really understand, but it is what it is. But yeah, these are going for $28, 28 effing dollars, and they got more size in the back because I did talk to one of the workers. I know I got to try to investigate as much as I can for you guys. Couple of B Loyals, Max Aura 2s, Take 2s right here, and these are definitely extended size price for $50. So what is that, $35 for those? Then these were also extended size price, $50 for 10.5 and above, so $35 for these Jordan new retro ones. Y'all still ain't gonna buy it though. Y'all still ain't gonna buy it. I don't blame you guys because I ain't buying it either. And showed these earlier. These are going for 50 minus 30, so what, 35? Blazers going for too much, but this shows that these Blazers just got here, or this shipment just got here, so it's gonna take some time for those to go down. At the Flight Light Mids right here, got a couple of them. Flight Legacies, got Trainer Lows. The Joe Burrows right here. Field Generals. A couple of those. Vomero 5s. Another one right here. And even these are extended size price. I just see 13 and above that are extended size price. But look at this. $80 or a little under $80 for these. Holy crap, like 78 bucks or something like that. But I see 11.5. Okay, I see 10s up there. Okay, I see a bunch of sizes. If you're a Notre Dame fan, Boston Celtics fan maybe, I don't know. Air Max 97s going for dirt cheap. Locates right here. Extended size priced for those as well. Free Crater Trail boots. Ton of Air Maxes. These are down to, oh no, the extended size price is the same. What the hell? We got a few more Air Max Plus. So these earlier, plus these Hirachis, which are extended size price. These Dunks right here going for $40 something if you're Is this a Miami? No, I don't know. Got Air Max 1s. Air Max 2017s right here. Also got Air Max 1s right here. And these are extended size priced to $70. Get another 30% off on top. And then got a bunch of Air Max 2017s. Getting so many steals. Of course, we got to check upstairs. Anything good? Anything good?
A few retros on sale, you know what I mean?
Okay.
We follow them about it.
We get any of that extended size love that we're getting downstairs?
I didn't really notice that up here, but maybe I didn't see the size.
Bastards! They're discriminating against women. No, I'm just But yeah, let's look around. Let's spend like 2 minutes. Got some 6s right here. Got some 2s. All right, that's not a bad price. Not bad. And it's getting even lower. Of course, I got to check the aisles to see if there's any extended size love or anything. Only thing I see them with so far are these Air Force One Wilds right here. And these are extended size prices, $60, but I don't see any extra 30% off. I would definitely ask for that. Oh, yeah. I would definitely. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Okay, now we get 30% off. Yeah, I think that's a mistake. They wouldn't have left that there by accident. So here we go. So 30% off. That does bring that to $42. Got the lattes right here. If these were extended size price, that would be dope. That'd be dope. But they only have up to size 11 anyways. But definitely not seeing the killer deals here like downstairs. Selection's kind of whatever too, because look, a lot of generic stuff. And then, the hell, who wants these blazers? I'm all a fan of blazers, but not these. This is not bad. The blazer jumbos right here, pretty decent price. Then some Pegasus 39s right here, 9.5 men's, 11 women's. Okay, so $40. That's $28 after the savings. Got some blazers right here. Got a few things extended size price, but not much. Max 90s go for $90. But to be honest, not too much craziness. $75 for Jordan 2s right here. The prices are definitely better than they usually are, because usually the prices here usually suck, but it's not that bad today. See a gray tag right here, $67.99 for the all-white blazers. Pretty clean. Jordan 2s right here going for $75. What are these right here? Pegasus Trail 4s going for $110. Seeing a lot of the same stuff. $65 for those. Jordan 2s. Same old Kill Shot 2s right here. Going for $55. Our verdict is downstairs way better than upstairs. I think that's the final verdict, right? Okay, but Bossco did grab a couple things. So make sure you guys check out Bossco channel and see what they are. Might be on Bossco, might be on Bobby Thrift. We'll see. But make sure you guys check out the channel, check out the description. And I think we're out. We're gonna check out a couple more stores here. But yeah, we'll see what's up. Let's go. We're at the Citadel. Crazy 98s, 97s. Yeah, those are 50% off. 60% over here, but 50% off. What the hell? $48. New Balance had some crazy deals last time. And this is their heat wall right here. $100. Holy cow, that's what's up. This is $80 and you get another 30 off. So not bad, you guys. Got an Under Armour right here. We can check it out, see what's up.